Greetings guys. So today I am going to show you how you can create this amazing user interfaces with in Photoshop. So you are going to create this in Photoshop. So my name is Joseph Upon. So stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so this is our Photoshop interface. So if you click on preference and go to interface, you can change any of them. Okay, you can change any of them to be the black, white, any. You have 4 actually. So you can change. We are much particular about the interface, the user interface. Okay, so that's why you see UI. So if you go to edit and preference, you can change the thing to black. So we're gonna leave it at black. Leave everything at default at this time. Okay, gonna leave everything at default at this time. So just select your black, leave it at a default. You can change it to blue, but of course it was already at blue. Let's just leave it at default and okay. Now let's go to our essentials. Okay, let's go to our essentials. Workspace essentials, and we could see that everything is grayed out. Let's, for instance, create a new document, a random document for that matter, and then if you click on that, you can see that what we have here is grayed out. Okay, gray, everything is gray. So we can actually make it look like yellow, blue, or any color that you want, right? So if you go to I have this colors already. I have Photoshop UI colors, so you can also download them on online. Yeah, so if you go to the I'll leave the how to for you to download, and then also follow along. So just follow the steps. Okay, go to required, and then if you click here, you'll see the 4 colors in cyan, magenta, yellow, and green, right? So we also have the RGB colors inside of them, and then we have so much colors inside that you can choose from. That Photoshop has as default. Photoshop has this as default, so we can actually change this to our own preference. Okay, so we can change the color of the Photoshop UI. So let's just quit that real quick. Let's go to our Photoshop. But yeah, before that, you have to copy that and back it up, because things can happen, right? Yes. So after backing it up, let's go to this our document right here, Photoshop user colors, interface colors. So we have this UI colors dash the color name. So if you want to choose any of them, just have to delete the dash green, the dash original, dash orange, dash pink. You just have to delete them. Okay, and use only the UI colors. Make sure that you use only the UI color, because Photoshop will not recognize the pink, green. No, Photoshop only recognize the UI. This is just to make know that this is blue, this is red, this is red. Yeah, so we can actually open the ones in the folders if you want the ones in the folder, but if you prefer the other ones to it, okay. So if you want it this way, just have to copy that. So this is blue. Okay, blue, you have yellow, you have blue, you have so many colors inside it already. So let's select yellow for this tutorial. First, let's select our yellow color, and then let's copy it. Okay, and then let's go to our Drive C, and then let's locate Photoshop and go to require, and then let's paste it inside. But before that, make sure that you don't paste it inside a folder. You post it inside the required folder. Okay, no sub folder. That's what I mean. So let's delete our Photoshop. It will not take effect unless we close it and open it again. So like we relaunch the Photoshop, right? So let's go ahead and change it real quick. So now Photoshop is closed. Let's go ahead and open it again. Yeah, it is going to open real quick. So now that we have our Photoshop, so you can see that the far right is turned to yellow, right? So if you go to our workspace, you could see that we have highlighted of a yellow highlighted, right? So we can also create a new, see everything is yellow. We can of course as well change it to any color that you want. If you think that the yellow is not good, you can change, you see. So let's crash Photoshop right now. So I'm gonna crash Photoshop. Yes. So Photoshop will crash real quick. Just wait. Alright. So let's go ahead and open Photoshop again. So that before that, let's just change the color to blue. Okay. So that we can you can of course change the color to any color that you want. So we inside Photoshop again, required folder. Okay, so let's open a new folder, a new file, folder like so, and then let's select where our folder is. Let's choose blue and copy it real quick, and then let's paste it inside. But before that, make sure you're not posting inside a sub folder. So increase it if you must, okay, so that you don't put it inside a subfolder. So put it far from the subfolder. So now you are good to go. Yeah, you are good to go. So let's open Photoshop now real quick. So yes, I just made this sharp a little bit so that you guys can also enjoy it. Like speed art, yeah, but it's not speed art. No, you understand everything I say here. So that's what is important, right? So let's just open Photoshop. Just take your time and do this. If you think that the video is too fast, just you can set the speed to maybe 0.75 or 0.5 on YouTube. You click on settings, that setting button, and then you click on. So you can see that it is blue now. Okay, if you think that the video is sharp, you can lower reload the speed to maybe 0.5 or any. Of course, you're going to hear my voice slow, but it's okay. Yes, so everything is changed now to blue, and it is looking nice already. So I think I love this already. Yeah, so I'm not going to bother to change it again. So guys, that's all. Remember to keep on creating stuff, amazing stuff, and then the next video will be sounding different, of course, and I'll let you know what I'll bring up in the community, or also you can leave a comment if you want to share with us what you want us to do next, okay, on here in this platform, on this channel. So yeah, Joseph, I'm out. This is graphics engineering.